You know something? I am so thrilled that I am on the Royaltie Elite team. I was about to walk out the door a few minutes ago to go to work. I drive Uber, and I got an alert that my sponsor and mentor, Caujuan Mayo, was doing a live stream. So I turned it on right before I left, and I couldn't even get out the door. Let me tell you, he blessed our royalty asses out. And I don't blame him because it's true what he's saying. I just want you to listen to a little bit of what he's saying and why I had to stop midstream and say, yeah, there's no more excuses. We have everything we need right here in Royaltie. We have a mentor that cares about what we're doing. And let me just let you hear a little bit of what he's saying. I'll be right back.
Hey, Elites. About to go do this workout. And right before we start this workout, I want to address something real fast. Alright. We going live. She said, oh my goodness. We going live. Alright, what we're going to address today. This is what we need to address today. Okay? Alright, so check this out. Couple things. First, I need you guys to start moving like a leader and not like a marketer. And what I mean by that, all right? So what I mean by that is you got to start leading by example. If you want your team to stick around and you want your team to follow you and you want your team to, to believe in you, then you have to practice what you preach and you have to be doing the things that you're telling them to do. And not only that, when you bring people into your organization, it's up to you to follow up and make sure that they know what's actually going on. Make sure they have the tools to succeed. What I mean by that is, you'd be surprised on how many people I talk to that say someone put them into this business and now they haven't talked to them after that, or they don't have a clue on what to do after that, or they don't have a clue on how to proceed forward. They didn't even know that we had an elite university or that we had a group. And that's, to me, you're dropping the ball when you do that. Because when, let me tell you how people's mind work, okay? You think every single person that we have right now is being successful within this business? No, they're not. But even some of those people are still sticking around. Even some of those people are still, doing what they need to do to get to the point of being able to get sales. Now, you know why? Because they believe in the teachings that I put forth. They believe in the training that I put out there. They believe in what I bring to the table. If I bring nothing to the table, do you think the people that don't make money or that haven't gotten their first say would still be around? Absolutely not. They would be gone. They'll be doing something else, So when you have people, okay, and like right now, I know people that got put 5, 6 people in, all 5, 6 of those people are inactive now. To me, that shows me right away that you are not being a leader. You're being a marketer. You put them in and you didn't follow up, because if you did, there's no way that you have all 6 of those people, all of them just quit. They quit because they didn't see value anymore. They quit because they weren't getting any results. They quit because you wasn't helping them out. They quit because there was no training there. They quit because they didn't see the point of this anymore, With me, when a person joins my team, they're going to say, you know what? Even if I didn't have a gym, everything that Caujuan teaches me is so much more valuable than the $49 or $25 that I'm paying a month. See, that's the picture and that I'm trying to paint in the person's brain. You know what I mean? From day one. That way, I don't have to worry about like, oh man, this person doesn't get a sale in their first 2 or 3 months, they're going to quit. They're not going to say that. They're going to say, you know what? I haven't got a sale all year and I'm still with Caujuan. Why? Because, yeah, I might not got a sale with this, but I've gotten a sale with that. Or maybe business hasn't been great here, but it has been great there because of what he's taught me, And, I wasn't able to succeed here, but I was able to succeed there. And when people can do that and they can see that, then you're going to have them. They're going to be like, you know what, I'm here with you to the end. But when you don't do anything, you just funnel people into these businesses and then that's it, you're off to the next. That's the quickest way to lose people. That's the quickest way for your volume to be going up and down or just start dropping. That's the quickest way for you not to have retention. It's the quickest way for you not to build a following. People don't believe in you. They don't want to follow you, People follow people they believe in and they want to be like. So you definitely have to do that. Now, I want to bring me to this. Okay, this is the first time I can say I was disappointed or I'm disappointed in you guys. And the reason why I say that is because I put out a competition last week, right? And I said, look, I'm giving out $100 to the best video, $50 to the best video, and then $50 to a random. It could be any one of you guys. So you have the potential to make $100 just for doing something that you should be doing anyways, okay? Straight up, you should be doing this anyways. This is your business. But I'm trying to give you a incentive to run your business. So I say, hey, you know what? Do this. You got potential to make some money. I only heard one person respond back to me from that, okay? Like, cause you know, y'all put out your videos in today. So if y'all don't have your videos in today, if you don't have your videos in, that means only you guys didn't even take that serious. And the cool part about it is this is something that benefits you. Whether you win or not, this is something that benefits you, okay? But let's say you do have the potential to win. Like, you're not even taking it serious. So guess what's going to happen today? I wasn't even going to say nothing. I was just going to do it because DePaul already told me that he was trying to send me a video. So guess what I was going to do? I was going to put DePaul's name, or whoever actually did what they're supposed to do. I was going to put their name inside the box, and even if it's only one person, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put that one person, and that person's name gonna come up because they're the only person, right? And they're gonna win. They're gonna win by default because you're too lazy to run your business. And then when you tell me one day, you say, man, Caujuan, I've been struggling. I haven't made no money yet. Or, man, I can't. You know, I'm gonna say, hey, when I did that competition, did you participate? And you're gonna be like, nope. I'm like, I don't want to hear nothing you got to say then. Because you're not doing everything to run this business. You're not doing everything to be successful in this business. You ain't even smart enough to just go rank a video real fast and have the potential to make $100. You ain't even smart enough to go spend $15 to potentially make 100. And you want me to believe that you have what it takes to be like a top earner in this company? No, you don't, because you're not willing to do what it takes. See, you gotta be willing to do what other people aren't willing to do. You see, people laugh. People think I was crazy. And it's like, come on, you really gonna get one of them little digital signs and go out to the strip? Yep. Who would ever think a six-figure earner would do that, right? Because I'm willing to do what other people aren't willing to do. When everyone else is sitting on their butt, watching Scandal or whatever y'all watch on TV, you know, you worrying about, you know, what's going on Love and Hip Hop and all that, you know, they ain't gonna put no money in your pocket. I'm gonna be sitting on the strip with my digital sign. When y'all sitting there talk about what don't work, you know, oh man, I ain't made no money yet. This thing ain't working. You know, I don't know how to get no money. You know what I'm gonna be doing? I'm gonna be sitting there at 5 o'clock in the morning, you know, putting signs on people's doors while most of you guys are asleep. You know what I mean? Because I want to do what other people aren't willing to do. Because most people aren't willing to do that. You know, even my people say, you ain't finna do that, Caujuan. I said, okay. Y'all think I'm playing. I'm trying to get to 15, 20K by my birthday. Y'all think I'm playing. If I'd have had the same attitude last year, I'd already be there. But I was sitting there slacking off. I was slacking off. And I'm telling you guys that some of you guys are slacking off. If I don't have 5, 10, 20, like look, this video I told you guys to make, you didn't even realize it benefits you. Because I'm making a new promo video. And I said, look, if you guys have yourself in the video, how powerful is that? If you're sharing a video with somebody, they say, oh, tell me more about this business. And you say, okay, can you watch this little 5-minute presentation? And they go, yeah. And they watch it. And then when they get to a certain part of the video, it's you in there. And you're giving your honest testimony of what you've been able to accomplish in this company. And it don't have to always be about money. You don't have to make money to still be successful. You could just say, I've been doing this since last year, you know, and, you know, we've had the best training and I'm on the best team. And that's the truth. And then that would be enough. But it shows that you are consistent. It shows you're not just jumping from business to business. It shows that, you know, that this is a credible, something that's real. And you're not even smart enough to put yourself in a position to be on that video. The only person going to be on that video, as I see so far, is going to be DePaul. And then he's also going to be the only person going to win everything. Because, like I said, I'm still going to get the money away. So if only one person participate or if 1,000 people participate, that's on you guys. But I don't want to hear nobody crying later when they say, damn, DePaul just won $100 because I was just too lazy to get off my butt. Because that's what's going to happen. I'm going to give $50 to the best video. And since that's the only video out, it'd be DePaul. And then it'd be like, and then I'm going to give another 50 to a random person. Since I only got one person to put in the random slot. And when I hit the button, it's going to be him. Hey, blame yourself. And then you'll be the same person talk about how you need help. You know, or you broke. Or, Caujuan, can you help me? I'm in my inbox. Caujuan, can you lend me some money? No, but I can teach you how to get some money. Simple. It's not that complicated. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, you guys need to go do what you need to do to be able to be successful. I'm trying to help you out. I'm trying to put you in the video, you know what I mean, so that it can help sell your business, and you're not even smart enough to go do that. I don't understand it at all. Ain't tax season to get your little tax money back? Go spend $15, $30 at Instapopping. Go ahead, rank your video, you know, and potentially get some sales and get yourself out there. Stop being lazy. Or, if you're not going to do that, I don't want to hear about, oh, I still don't have any, no sales this month. Oh, I still don't have anybody on my team. Because you're not functioning like a leader that wants somebody on their team. That's why. You're not functioning like a team owner or captain. You're not even in the game right now. So how can you ever expect to win any championships? You're not even in the game. Get in the game. So, like I said, that's what I wanted to say today, because I was just astonished. I was like, wow, it's the first time I'm actually disappointed in you guys. Like, you guys didn't do the video? Don't make no sense. I was like, give me your live testimonial, put it out there, send it to me on Monday, I'm picking the winner. And I only got one person that said, hey, Caujuan, send me the address so I can send you that video. That's crazy.
Oh, OMG. That really is crazy. Because we have everything we need right here at our fingertips, and we're not using it. I myself am being accused of it as well. I've slacked off a little bit too. But lately, in the last few weeks, I have really been concentrating on the teachings from Caujuan and the Elite University of of how to promote the business. And with the products that we have that sell themselves, there's really no excuse. Now, I got to tell you, I cut that video short. He went on to say the trials and tribulations of what he had in the past and how he struggled to move forward. And I'm teared up right now because I've been through similar. But right now, I'm getting out of it. As I said in the beginning, I'm an Uber driver. And one day I hope not to have to rely on driving Uber. I want to build my own home business so that I can go out and succeed and help my family. And if we can't do it here, we can't do it anywhere. Okay, so excuse me for getting emotional, but that's because we have a mentor who's passionate on what he's doing to help us. And if we don't take it in now, you're not going to get this anywhere else. So come on into Royalty. Sorry about that, but we got blessed out today and we needed it. So these are good tears that you're seeing. Okay? Come on, Royaltie Elites. Yeah!
You know, God to put you where you want to go. Have faith in His grace. God to take you to a better place. I just want to tell you, oh, my God, I'll never let my legs before. If you believe in the power, the power, and then say, yeah.
Work it out. Work it out. Fix it up. Fix it up. He'll make it all right. Make it all right. Stop. Yeah. Work it out. Fix it up. Fix it up. He'll make it all right.
I want to ask you a question tonight. Yeah, can he work it out? Yeah. Come on, can he work it out? Yeah. Do you know he can work it out? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Come on, can he work it out?